Sirens just went off. Now we're looking at something that looks like it's lowering and rotating. Crazy stuff. Northeast Oklahoma, baby. Some crazy stuff. Yeah, that looks like it's rotating hardcore.
It's loose rotation, but it is rotating.
That's crazy. Look at that duck too. Yeah, that looks like a funnel really bad.
Yeah, and your daddy claims he's never seen a tornado. We ought to call him out here.
Do it. Yeah, that's definitely it. I don't know. I mean,
yeah, you see that point?
One just connected. It looks like it's funneling. This is legit. I'm getting this on video.
Yeah, Scott, that's going to turn into something right there. That furthest right one.
And it's already past us, so it can't affect us,
Exactly.
which is awesome. Get call him.
Calling him, he's on it too. Hi, if you can get out here without Liz coming after alerting her, go look at that tiny little finger.
Yeah.
You claim you've never seen a tornado. Come out here if you'd like to see some.
Oh, that was sweet.
It was being floated on.
Yeah, this looks like a funnel so bad. Like, I don't know, even like earlier it looked like it was rotating. No, it was tighter than that earlier. And our sirens just went off.
It was rotation and it was tight and then
Rain's cold.
The tornado, the rotation they've got right now is right over Sepulpa. It's past Kellyville now.
Oh, Sepulpa's closer than Kellyville.
Sirens are going off. What do you hear those? It's like downshift up in that one car or something.
Another tornado warning issued for Tulsa. So what's she doing?
Freaking out.
Is she in your closet?
No, she's huddled up with the dog on the floor.
Oh,
Well,
wow.
and that's what God would be telling her, is if the dog isn't freaking out,
Ah!
the dog would know something were happening. This is kind of weird to be between Broken Arrow and Tulsa Sirens.
I gotta show you this video of the tighter rotation. I wonder if Hunter and Joel and Ashley are all huddled up in a thing, or if they're
I
out
was gonna say,
looking.
where are they?
I don't know about Joel, but I bet Ashley's out in the middle of it watching.
Where's Hunter?
Hunter's at their house.
He had to help Joel move something because Joel couldn't do it with his broken leg. See, Scott, there's a finger up there.
Still haven't seen a tornado. Yeah.
Hey, the wind died down. That's when a tornado forms.
How do you know? Who put you in charge?
I've heard that.
Like a stereotype to me.
He's seen Twister, right?
Right. Ah.
Scott, you can start working on this.
On what?
On this truck.
Nah. Oh yeah. Gotta shoot them.
Oh yeah, shoot them. Those are the nasty ones.
Oh my gosh, that's
Those are geese,
awesome.
weren't they?
No, those are ducks.
Oh, I thought I saw the white and black.
I want to shoot those things so bad. Can't wait till next year.